Ladies and gents, friends, fellow TikTokers, and haters lurking in the shadows, we gather here today to mourn something that frankly doesn't even need to be mourned. Yes, we're calling it a funeral. This is a funeral, right? But the only thing we're burying is the idea that Vex cannot come to 2020-25, man. What are we doing? And to the haters, let me say this. Y'all are mad because Vex Bolts, my friend Vex Bolts, has the sauce. He has the sauce. And y'all are still struggling to figure out if ketchup is a smoothie. All right! Girl! Why didn't you laugh?
You need to leave!
It's a funeral! Okay, well, you can have jokes at a funeral. Anyway, guys. Vex is not getting left behind in 2020-25, man. Or 4, I mean. He's coming with us and proving that laughter is the medicine we all need, and it will silence the noise. Your laughter, your memes, it all silences the noise, Vex. You're a good friend to me, man. And that's why I'm gonna give you this gift. If this is your let him cook apron, this is yours, Vex, my black brother. And with that, Screedy, I give it to you, my friend.
It's okay, Fluffy. You're so fluffy and handsome. This isn't fair,
Vex! I can't believe this is the end, man. You were my brother! My actual brother from the same mother. And for some reason, nobody wanted you in 2025. Are you kidding me? And to this day, I still don't know why the internet turned on you. I really don't. It doesn't make any sense. I don't get it. Why? And Lacey from FaZe Clan. Lacey, he didn't even want you in 2025, Vex. And honestly, that's not even saying a lot because it's Lacey, you know, whatever. But he didn't want you. And everybody followed the trend. Everyone. Damn right.
Amen. Straight up.
And it truly saddens my heart. Like Vex was just so fluffy and cute. Look at him. He's fluffy and cute. You guys ruined everything. You guys, look, you're ruining it. And now he has to get a 9 to 5. Are you kidding me? He has to be in plus. Who wants to work a 9 to 5 anyway? Who does that? All of you guys, disappointed. Pathetic. And he was also a man of many interests as well. He loved, and I say loved, with a kind heart. He loved Ken Carson. Absolutely loved him. We used to listen to Ken Carson together, fighting my demons. And now we can't. And sadly, neither can any of you guys. The internet has ruined me. He's not coming in 2025. And this is truly sad. And now, up next, we have Vex's cute and fluffy dearest friend. His name is Pengu. Welcome, Pengu. This page. And Vex, I also got you a Naruto headband. Just for you. Because I know that's your favorite show. I'm gonna miss you, man.
My fluffy friend. I can't make it to 2025. I can't, fluffy friend. Pengu, please tell me you will serve justice for John Ford, please.
Enough is enough! I'm not gonna let the same thing that happened to John Ford happen to Vex! All he wanted to do was let him cook! You wouldn't let him cook, and you wouldn't let him cook, and you wouldn't let
Now I got you this mango.
Mango.
I'm gonna miss you, man! I'm gonna miss you! Sir. I'm gonna miss you! It's okay, Dom. It's okay, sir. Get up. Come on. Get up. I'm done! No, I'm done! Stop there! You need to leave!
Next! I've known you for well over 8 years. And in those 8 years, we've become more than friends. We've become family, brothers, dare I say. And recently, the internet's tried to tear us apart. They started this trend to unfollow you, to leave you in the past. And they succeeded. So here we are, having to say goodbye. I've not been this sad since Fruit Snacks left the house. What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing, I'm crying! Snacks! She needs to make a J-O-I, man!
Alright! Vex, I'm sorry it went down this way. We met up with Lacey in LA. We thought he was our friend. We said hello. That means we're friends. And what does he do? He goes on live and says, leave him in the past. Abandon him! What a joke! What a sick joke! I've got something for you. It's what started all of this. Your Fruit Snacks flyer, the original. I love you. I'll see you, well, never.
How would you say that?
No, this isn't it, man. This isn't it, man. I have one more speech. No speech. I'm going off the heart, man. This is serious, bro. Vex, you're my black brother, bro. This is not okay. Why does it keep following? Why does it keep dropping, man? Stop it. Let it stop, man. I just don't get it. First, Tori Yummy doesn't respond to my DM. Then Bex gets a massive following. What are we doing, man? What are we doing? You know what? I'm gonna do it. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook.
It's not the time for this!
Do it.
What are you doing?
Sir!
Stop it! This is Max's moment! We love that folks!
Stop, good boy.
You guys are ruining everything! You're ruining everything! Who? For crying out loud! Who is going to ruin trends in 2025? There's no other Vex spots. Who? You can't!
I think it's time.
No!
Please,
No! 5 more minutes! 5 more minutes!
I think it's time.
Wait, one last let him cook. Please.
Please,
For all
we
of us,
need,
Vex.
we need this.
Just one. One more. Please, Vex.
Let him cook.
No, you need more energy.
More.
More. I got you, Vex. Come on.
Let him cook.
Let him cook. Let him cook. My fluffy brother. My fluffy brother. My God. No, Vex. Hold me back. Hold me back. Sir. Hold me back. Sir. Hold me back. Sir. You need to leave. What are you doing? Get out of here. Come on. Get out of here.
Guys, it's official. My last day on this platform, my last day ever. I'm done dragging memes. Lacey told me to stay in 2024. Clicks told me to stay in 2024. Yusuf, Sham, NYC, they all told me to stay. Mr. Beast told me to stay in 2024. It's time. Guys.
It's time. Vex, No,
Bring
please.
it in, man.
Bring it in. Vex, bring it in.
Come on. We love you, man.
This is for the team.
So fluffy!
One thing. I'm gonna be gone, but let him cook. We'll carry on my legacy. After this live, my recent video, when this live ends, my recent video will explain everything. I'm sorry, guys. I can't make it to 2025. This is the last time you will see me.
Are you ready?
Let's load them up, guys.
It's time, guys.
It's time.
Come on. Come on.
May I introduce, in this beautiful moment, the Let Him Cook Choir. Take the faith and kindness and it's so beautiful! Mango. Is dripping raw while watching hawk to hawk. Exposed, let him cook in peace. Exposed, let him cook and both, let him cook. Exposed, let him cook in peace. Exposed, let him cook.
Guys, it's over. My latest video, posted after this live, will explain everything. Let him cook. We'll carry on my legacy.
Sophie, wait, why are you in here right now?
Brothers. Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye.
You're so fluffy and cute.
We miss you already.
It's almost like he was just here yesterday. It's been a whole year! It's been a whole year since I changed! It's been a whole year since I changed!
You're okay. Oh my God. Okay. It's okay.
What do you mean to let him cook?
It's fine.
He made so many good meals!
It's okay.
I can feel his